Making a little adjustment.
Little here, little there.
Yeah, little adjustment.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Woo!
That's my Charlie.
Good. They do his nails like in 2 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. Boom.
Boom.
Oh, there he is.
In the door, out the door.
Yep.
In and out.
Yep.
Just like that. Sweet. All right.
He's gonna get his nails done down here all the time. It's a little bit cheaper.
Yeah. So I'm just trimming this off up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's just a little adjustments.
Good, honey.
Yeah. How about this day?
I know. It's awesome. Hi, Charlie.
Almost need to get a boat out.
Huh?
Almost need to get a boat out.
Well, we never know about the weather around
You
here.
just never know, do you? No. And kicked you all over. Sorry. I'd say that's done. Let me we'll do a little demonstration. We'll open it and close it. Let you see. I had to trim some off up there because of the slanting roof. But what I do is I'll put a piece of tin up there to kind of hide that. Just to make it look a little better. And this is how it looks from out here. Joy. I may stick a piece of tin back in there too, right in that spot. And on the outside of here. We'll see. We'll give it some thought. It's turned into an amazing, beautiful day. Me and Honey Baby were just talking about, man, if we get 2 days like this in a row, we'll need to put some boats in the water. Oh, the joy.